Hello! So, this is a little different because typically when I do like blind box unboxings, I open like multiple blind boxes, but today I only have one. And I also look like a lafufu, so I don't really want to put the camera on my face. And I'm feeling kind of lazy and I don't feel like doing my makeup. So we're gonna just almost dropped the package. We're gonna open this. This is a JackyOhhhx package. You may know by the blue. I got one doll from them, one blind box doll. This, I don't, hold on, let's just open it because I can't remember what it's called. It's probably on the box. Ma'am, can you get out? Typically for BJD blind boxes, I feel like I like hear stuff about them, or not hear, but like I'll see pictures on JackyOhhh's Instagram. Like it'll be like sneak peeks or like brand shout out or something. And I know that this is like Penny's box, but I didn't see any like photos of it or like sneak peeks or anything, which I feel like a lot of time with Penny's box you see. So this was kind of like, it felt like it was a little out of the blue. So here it is. These are the Penny's box symphonic poem, and they're Penny's box, but they're like, I guess a little bit more mature, so they don't have like the baby chibi body, which I do like the baby like chibi body, but I'm naturally drawn towards more, I guess, like adult dolls or just a little bit older. But yeah, the packaging, this is it. So here's some of these ladies. Here's all the ladies. I don't think I've seen this. A lot of the time I see the mystery one, like pictures of it somewhere, but I haven't seen this one. These are all the ones you can get. It's the back. This is the other side. I'm kind of curious what this says. I'll probably go on JackyOhhh's site and see what the whole, I guess, story behind these are, because a lot of the time it's pretty obvious. And it seems like there's some sort of angel devil thing going on, but I'm not really sure. So let's open it. It's 1/8 scale. Here's the little tan strip. Oh, before I open it, let's say which ones I want. I like the pink one, obviously. I like that one. I don't know, y'all. I think I like all of them. I am not super drawn to like these two. I don't know. I think I'm not crazy about green. I think this one's design just isn't super speaking to me, but to be honest, these are all really tiny, so like they could be way cooler in person. But let's just do the tear. Oh, that was very nice feeling. And then oh, I got that one. I got her. That's cool. All right, let's see her. Interesting. I feel like actually, I don't know. I don't know if the face mold is the same face mold as like the Antu series. Ah, that was really loud. Yeah, so her body's like a little bit more mature looking. Body's like a little bit more mature looking. I actually really like it, like this style. She's still got like the big head. I don't know if this is the same sculpt as the like Antu series. I don't know if this is like linked to those or if it's separate or just whatever. This is the card. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love her little style. What are all the things you get? So, oh, you got some little ballet feet. That's actually really cool. That's so cool. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. That's pretty awesome. Like, look at that foot. That's dope. And then, oh, her wings and her, whatever this is. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get her all dressed. This is her outfit. I really like the designs. These are so cute. And I kind of feel like, I don't know, I have a couple of the Penny's box dolls, and I feel like the Antu series, typically like the designs of the dolls themselves are really, really cool. But the outfits are pretty like minimal, and this looks a little bit like the character design is a little bit more, it just feels like the outfit design of these are a little bit more, I guess, detailed. But I'm gonna put her clothes on and I will show y'all. Just a random, before I put her clothes on. Her pigtails are jointed. What the hell? This is so cool. I pulled my recent Penny's box doll. I think these are the most recent BJDs I think that they made, and I'm just like looking at the faces. I feel like, well, the sculpt is definitely different because like obviously the eyelash mold and stuff, but I feel like it's quite a bit different because also these have molded on lips and this one doesn't, and the eye cutout or whatever looks a bit different. Like this one's definitely smaller. So they seem different. Because if you guys are familiar with like Penny's box or the Antu dolls, I think they're all Antu, like this specific style of doll. Like they all have like basically like they've gotten more sophisticated as they've gone. Style has definitely gotten more like sophisticated and detailed as they've gone. Like I just feel like this is just very much an elevated version of like this, but you can see definitely like where like this evolved from this, but this looks like kind of totally different. So I just find these things interesting. I gotta see if the heads fit. I'm gonna put her clothes on in a minute. I have one of the head back thingies. I mean, they look like they could be like interchangeable. I have one of the head backs for these girls, the Antu ones. Where is it? It's like literally right here. This John, I got it from AliExpress. Just looking at how like this fits on the head, or like the little, like this stuff. I think this will work perfectly fine with this doll too. Yeah. So it's a head back. Pretty sure you can just find these on AliExpress if you guys want one. But if you ever want to make your Penny's box doll have like a wig. Oh, this is real tight. I don't want to like scuff it up. Okay. Oh. Hello. Yeah, okay. I haven't tried this with this, but I don't see why I wouldn't. Yeah, like that'll fit too. And yeah, you could like switch out like the heads if you wanted to. How's this go again? I haven't done one of these in a minute. Does it go this way? Yeah, so you can put this one on this one. Oh, the possibilities. These go like this. That's also really cool because I feel like if you wanted like a more mature body for these dolls, you could like switch them around and stuff. That's actually a really cute combo right there. I like that. This is also cute. She's like a little chibi and she's very worried. I also found this in the box. I didn't see it first. It's just kind of, I mean, I think it's like what they typically have, where it shows you like how to string them and stuff. I guess it also shows you how to dress them and everything, which is kind of cool. How to change the hands. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All their other little BJD lines. And the dudes. Here she is with her clothes on. Yeah, I think her character design is very, very cool. Wait, what is going on with this thing? Hold on. Stick like this. Okay, I think her character design is awesome. This headband thing is like a little annoying. It just like will not stay on her head. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing with this. Yeah. Wait, maybe it says it in the brochure. Let's see. So I think it's supposed to go, I mean, that's how it's supposed to go on. It's just not, oh, I guess it's supposed to go like this high up. I don't know. It's not super like well enforced. I love her outfit. I love this thing. I'm a sucker for like a collar. And I love her like little ballet feet. I think that's so cool. I don't know. I think ballet feet are just pretty dope. It looks like some of them have like the ballet feet and then others have sneakers. Is it all the demon ones with ballet feet? No, it seems like it's like a mix. So that's cool. I don't know. I really like them. I also like the sneakers. I kind of want another one of these. I feel like I say that with every blind box, but it's really pretty. And I feel like I kind of wonder, so I feel like this sort of mature 1/12 scale is getting sort of popular with blind box BJD. I wonder if this is like Penny's box contribution to that. But yeah, her design is really dope. I basically have no complaints. Like, I also like that she's like purple and yellow. I like that color scheme. I like it a lot. She's just really, really dope. Definitely more like solidly on her head now, which is good because it's a cool detail. But if it's falling off, ain't nobody got time for that. The wings are awesome. I like that they go around here and then they're in the back. I just think that's a neat little detail. Yeah. I love this. I feel like I love this so much. Oh my gosh. These are so cool. I want more. I hope the Penny's box makes more of these like mature ones. I would also be obsessed if Penny's box had like bigger dolls, like how Oof Doll is doing. I think that would be awesome. I know that they came out with a like big version of the chibi ones and I really wanted to buy it. It was like $100. I still kind of want to buy it. But it's also like, do I need it? No. But I also don't need anything. So yeah, these are the things that go through my head. If you guys have picked up any of these, let me know which one you got. I'm happy with the one that I got. I'm so curious what the mystery one looks like. Wow, I like these designs so much. I kind of want one of like the light ones. Like the angel girlies. This is her character card. I feel like she's like in some sort of anime. And this is like the anime logo. But yeah, if you guys picked up any of these, let me know what you think about them down in the comments. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe, makes me happy. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye!